Hi there, we meet again and we are going to learn about idioms. Idioms, yes. Now, when you come across people who do not talk to you something very directly and just refer to some alienated sentence, and you just keep thinking what the person might have said. Yes, these are idioms. Usually we use idioms when we are trying to explain something which is too intense and give an analogy of. First thing, hand to mouth. What do you mean by hand to mouth? Yes, you earn and you eat on the same day. Many people in this pandemic have come to a situation of hand to mouth, in the sense it's just like whatever they earn, they just go on feeding themselves. Crocodile tears. Have you heard this? Yes, it is some kind of fake tears. You're trying to gain sympathy, or you're trying to be fake and gain sympathy. Eye wash. Eye wash. You're not going to wash your eye, but it's just a mere description where you are trying to refer to someone's deceit or something like that. If I say a small increment in the salary is just an eye wash. Okay, it's just a deceit because it's not the standardized form. Okay, now the next one that I'm going to say is in a fix. In a fix, in the sense you are just not able to decide what has to be done. I was in a fix when I saw the accident. Nor I can break the traffic rules, nor I can go to the people, nor I can take the person to the hospital because the situation of the accident or the place was such. Okay. Now, when I'm trying to tell something more elaborately in ins and outs, I know all the ins and outs of the business, in the sense, you know what is in the sense, the legal, illegal, all kind of stuff about the business. Okay, so when you are talking about this, it means you are trying to slightly threaten the person, saying, I know it. Okay, now when I'm trying to say something else, yes, a feather in her cap, a feather in the cap. It means a kind of achievement that you carry with you. Giving airs, in the sense you're just trying to, make others feel that you belong to some kind of high class. She's always giving airs to other people as if she belongs to a wealthy family, in the sense you're just trying to pretend that way and try to demean or belittle some other people. It's not really good. And when I say this thing like merry-go-round, in the sense I was just going round and round. If I say I had to run from pillar to post to get the certificate done, in the sense I had to take a lot of pains and working around, going around things to get this one certificate done. It has taken a lot of job. So when I'm saying about idioms or the expressions to be used in the sentences, it is that it's not mentioned in all the books and you go by heart it and use it. Yes, you can do that. But the best way to learn this is you start reading books and you come across many idioms when you're reading books. And reading is really a good habit because we come across a lot of vocabulary as well as these phrases that we can use or the expressions that we can use. Okay, so my suggestion for you is please read a lot of books, and yes, please use the idioms as and when you come across them. One, it will beautify your language. Second, you will be able to convey your thoughts clearly. Third, good for your exams. Thank you.